Welcome to online classes. Now refer page number 16 for question number 4 of the unit Bird and Boy. Unit 2 Bird and Boy of English Literature Reader. Question number 4. Which of these sentences describe the poem best? Here is 4 answer given. This is a multiple choice question. 4 answer given. In between you have to choose only one, which is the best as per the poem. Question number 4. Which of these sentences describe the poem best? Number 4A. This is a poem about a bird. No, don't consider. About a bird, what is that? 4B. This is a poem about a boy. No, it is also no. 4C. This is a poem about a boy wanting to fly. Maybe consider. It can be considered. Let's check for D. This is a poem about the hard life of a bird. No. So 4A, don't mark on the box. 4B, do not mark on the box. 4C, yes, it is the right, so you have to write tick mark on the box. And based on that, you have to write down in your homework copy that question number 4 you have to write which of these sentences describe the poem best. Then you have to write in answer in your homework copy 4C. This is a poem about a boy wanting to fly. Box, then you can tick mark. That is the real thing. Now, hope you understand. Again, I will read question number 4. Which of these sentences describe the poem best? 4A. This is a poem about a bird. No. 4B. This is a poem about a boy. No. 4C. This is a poem about a boy wanting to fly. Yes, it is the correct answer. You can write in tick mark. And this tick mark question 4C you have to write in your homework. 4D, this is a poem about the hard life of a bird. No, nothing to be done. Now, question number 5. Find a word or expression in the poem which means the same as. In the poem, answer already there. Here is some expression. 5A, a bird's home. A bird's home. 5A answer. 5A answer, NEST, nest. 5A, a bird's home. Answer 5A, nest, NEST. Number 5B, moving up and down. 5B, moving up and down. Here the answer 5B, flapping. FLAPPING. FLAPPING, flapping. 5C, happy with what you have. 5C, happy with what you have. C, answer, satisfied with the things you do best. 5C, satisfied, SATISFIED, satisfied with the things you do best. Once again, 5C, happy with what you have. satisfied with the things you do best. 5D, do what you want to do. 5D answer, do your own thing. 5D question, do what you want to do. 5D here answer, do your own thing. Again, 5. Find a word expression in the poem which means same as 5A, a bird's home. Answer 5A, nest, N-E-S-T. 5B, moving up and down. Answer 5B, flapping, F-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. 5C, satisfied, S-A-T-I-S-F-I-E-D, satisfied with the things you do best. Satisfied with the things you do best. 5D, do what you want to do. 5D answer here, do your own thing. Do your own thing. Now you go question number 6. Question number 6. In the poem, find the 3 words that rhyme with fly. In the poem 6A, 3 words that rhyme with fly. You can write the answer 6A, fly, dash. After that you write why, comma, sky, comma, try. So rhyming words is there, 6A, fly, dash, why, comma, sky, comma, try. 6B, one word that rhymes with boys. 6B, boys, dash, the word answer you have to write noise, N-O-I-S-E, noise. Boys, dash, noise, N-O-I-S-E. 6C, 2 words rhyme with tree. 6C, tree, dash, funny and me. These are the 2 words, funny and me. Again, question number 6. In the poem, find A, 3 words that rhyme with fly. 6A answer, fly, dash, why, comma, sky, comma, try. 6B, 1 word that rhyme with boys. Boys, dash, noise. 6B, boys, dash, noise. 6C, 2 words that rhyme with tree. 6C, tree, funny, me. That is the end of question number 6. Answer. Now 7. Question number 7. Here are the names of some common birds. They are mixed up. Try to guess each one. It is jumbled word, mix up. Suppose boy, B-O-Y, boy. If I write Y-O-B, jumbled word, then you have to write answer B-O-Y. Here 7, A, B, C, D, E, F. 6, jumbled word is there. Answer you have to write 7A. L-O-W. Answer you have to write owl, O-W-L, owl. 7B, R-A-P-O-R-T. Answer you have to write parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T. 7C, ORWC. Answer CROW. 7D, GRATSLIN. You have to write the answer Starling, STARLING. 7E, CHORIST. You have to write the answer Ostrich, OSTRICH, ostrich. 7F, UTRELUV. Right answer you have to write vulture, 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 vulture. That is the end of question number 7.